to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
Welcome back to another Pitari DIY. My name is Tariro and today we are going to be making some African print scrunchies. So the funny thing is that when I look at them, to me they kind of look like looks like a flower crown, which actually surprised me. But anyway, so here on the front I have some bantu knots. Then I just put the scrunchies over that, and it's one of the easiest DIYs to do ever, like you guys. So if you are interested in seeing how to make fabric scrunchies, they can be for you, they can be for a friend, they can be a gift, then just keep on watching this video. And okay guys, so the first thing that I did was to measure my strips of fabric, and those are the measurements that I used. They were about 3 inches wide and about 18 inches long each, and I cut about 6 of these.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns.
So they are my 6 strips of fabric, and I tried to mix the colors as well. Then I now took out my sewing machine and I just basically folded the fabric strip in half, and then I sewed it on the edge, leaving a seam allowance of about half a centimeter. And I did this for all the other strips. So there I was done, and then I now took out my safety pin, and then I just started turning them all inside out like that.
Sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight.
Then when I was done, I now took my elastic. My elastic was about 1 centimeter or less wide, and then I just measured about 5 inches of the elastic, and I cut 6 pieces of these 5 inches long elastics. Then I now took a safety pin, and then I inserted the elastic into that little fabric tube, sort of like, and then making sure that it's not getting lost on the other end. Then I now took a needle and thread, and then now joined the elastic.
So I basically sort of overlap the elastic onto the other one, and then I just sew like many times, and then I also tie a knot to make sure that it's secure. Then when I'm done, I don't usually cut the thread. I'll just start to fold and tuck in the fabric and just make sure that all the raw edges are hidden and tucked underneath, and then I just try to sew as neatly as I can to close that gap. Making sure that I'm tying knots every time. So that was the last scrunchie, and then I just did the same thing that I did with the others. So that was the result. Those are all my scrunchies. If you want them to be like more ruffled, you can definitely make the fabric longer. You can make them bigger or smaller according to your preference.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you'd like to see any more African print tutorials, if you have video requests, you can send them to me and we can all just DIY together. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much and bye.